guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I want to talk about some of the top 5 products that I have been loving for my household. Not just are household friendly, just household items that I have literally just been loving. And I want to share them with you. But first, as always, I love to start off my videos with some inspiration, get you encouraged and feeling good. Today's inspiration is going to come from Jeremiah 33:3, which reads, "Call to me and I will answer you and tell you great and unsearchable things you do not know." So that's just heartwarming, you guys. Call to the Lord. He will tell you unsearchable things. He will open your minds to a whole new way of thinking. There's a lot of things that happen that we just don't understand. There's a lot of things that we deal with, our trials and tribulations that we just don't understand. And God gives us that peace and that reassurance to allow us to renew our minds and to allow us to really be open to what it is that God sees, because God's ways are not our ways and his thoughts certainly are not our thoughts. So, you know, the Bible is a mystery and God's ways are a mystery. And if we have the Holy Spirit and we have Christ, he will unveil that mystery to us. But don't depart from him, because he certainly will not depart from you. Stay steadfast on getting to know who the Lord is, and don't cause yourself to be down in the slumps, because that's certainly what the enemy wants you to do, is to be down and to, you know, not build your relationship with the Lord and with Christ. But he loves you and his word tells us that he loves us. So I just want to encourage you guys to renew your minds day by day and to be steadfast and call on the Lord, because he will tell you great and mighty things that we do not know and we cannot even comprehend. So yes, keep going, stay strong, you guys. Keep going, keep being positive, keep being the light. So I'm super excited about this video because there are quite a few things in my household that I really do like, and I was just thinking one day, I was just like, why don't I share them on my channel? I don't have any videos like this, so I'm excited to share them. So I'm going to be talking about 5 products, household products, that I really have been loving, that I want to share with you. Maybe you guys aren't familiar with these products, and maybe I can enlighten you. So I am happy to do so. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. My first product I'm going to be sharing is a smell good item. A smell good item. I don't know about you guys, but I love my house. The smell just so good, so nice and clean, like freshness. I just love that smell. And so the product that I'm going to share is going to be the Febreze wax melt. I don't know, are you guys familiar with this? Because I just got put on game with this about a couple of years ago. I knew nothing about this, but I stumbled upon it and I was just like, oh my gosh, this is like a cool little invention. You know, I like to burn candles. It's essentially like a little candle pod that you put in a melting wax holder, and it burns it, and it just smells up your whole entire house and your whole entire area, depending on which ones you get, because there are some that aren't as potent as others. But I really like this one. It's the Febreze Downy scent, and that is what it looks like. It smells really good. Like, it smells like fresh laundry coming out of the dryer. It just smells so lovely. The only con I will say about the wax melts is that they smell up your house for literally a day, and then the next day you barely smell it, depending on which one you get. Like I said, there are some that are more potent than others, but literally max 2 days. And then you're back having to put another one into the melter and so on and so on. So That's the only thing. They don't really last a long time, but this smells so good. I love this one. So check this one out, you guys. It is the Febreze Downy Scent. My next item is gonna be a laundry item, and this isn't gonna be in any particular order, but this laundry item literally smells so good. Like, it's fruity, but it's fresh too. It's gonna be the Snuggle. The Snuggle Exhilarations, and this is in the scent Island, Hibiscus, and Rainflower. Oh my gosh, literally smells amazing. Smells amazing. It smells so good. Why does it smell so good? Like, it smells amazing. This is gonna be the fabric softener. And you just put this in with your laundry when you're washing. I'm sure I love it so much because it's the summertime and this just smells like summer, like super fruity and like summery. So I really like this. Go ahead and check this out. So my next item, I literally have been sleeping on, but literally it smells so good, and it is a smell good item. It's gonna be this Glade Essential Broom Mist. You just spray this on like your pillows, on your couch, on your mattress, on your pillows on your bed. You just spray this on there. It literally smells so good. This is the scent Coconut and Beechwoods. Love it. You can even use this as like a poopery scent, you know, like when you use the restroom, you keep it in there and you do like your little courtesy sprays. You can actually use this in there because I don't think that it would conflict with smells or anything like that. But anyways, you can certainly put this anywhere in your house and just spray it. I really love the smell. My husband loves the smell as well. It smells, again, very tropical, coconut, kind of like a coconut rum kind of scent. If you guys like smell good items and fruity stuff for the summer months, I don't necessarily like too much of the fruity scents in the fall time, but just due to it being summer, this definitely smells really good and it's very fitting. That's what it looks like. Okay, so my next item is certainly going to be a laundry product. I discovered this product this year, actually. Yes, this year I discovered it, and I love it. I'm certainly in love with it. I feel like it makes a huge difference with your clothes and how they feel as far as like the cleanliness and the freshness of them. I know you're probably like, okay, what are you talking about? I'm talking about the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer Zero Bleach. I really like this stuff, you guys. Like, I feel like, again, it really makes a difference in the way my clothes turn out and they smell when I'm washing them. It smells like a cleaning product, like something you would clean your counters with or like your floors with. Kind of smells a little bit like Pine Sol. Yeah, a little bit like Pine Sol, but your clothes don't smell like that, of course. But it literally, I love it. So let me read this little description it has on the bottle. It says, when you wash your clothes in cold water, bacteria can survive. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer is an additive that kills 99.9% of bacteria. It contains 0% bleach, so it's suitable to use with both whites and colors. So yeah, you know, bacteria still lives in cold water, or can survive in cold water. So this helps with eliminating that. So I really like this. I think it is a great product. I haven't had any complaints in using it. And again, I've been using this since the beginning of the year. And it's definitely been my favorite household item that I've really been loving, that I wanted to share with you. So check this one out, you guys. Check it out. My next product is going to be a detergent. I utilize this detergent right here, which is Persil, and it is the Intense Fresh Deep Clean Laundry Detergent. I really like this. I do. I find it to be more cost effective than Tide. Tide is a hit or miss for me. just because I feel like my clothes don't smell as clean and fresh and crisp like I want them to. For me, I like my clothes to smell fresh and clean like I just did laundry. I don't like my clothes to smell like I just put it in a warm dryer and then that's all I did to it and it didn't do any sanitizing or cleaning. Like, no. I want my clothes to feel and smell like they were actually clean. Like, if I'm gonna put forth effort to clean these clothes, I want them to smell clean. Okay? Okay, yes. Let me read to you some of the points on the bottle. It says that this is stain fighting, whitening, brightening, anti-graying, clean rinsing, long-lasting freshness, odor fighting. Yes, you have to have that, odor fighting. Like I said, I want my clothes to smell clean and fresh. I want it to smell like I just did laundry. Cold water cleaning, clean, fresh scent, and fiber care. Like, it smells so good too. Yeah, it smells like, they have the regular one that's not purple at the bottom, that's blue, I believe, and then they have this one, and then they have, I believe, a white one. But I've tried this one and the blue packaging one, and I like them both. I think they both smell amazing. This one smells like a hint of grape is what I'm picking up. It's like a hint of grape. And the other one is more of like just a super crisp, clean scent. So I definitely recommend this product for your household essential because it smells good. Again, it just smells good. I was on the hunt for a new laundry detergent like a year ago because I wasn't happy with, is it Gain? Yeah, I wasn't happy with Gain. I wasn't happy with Tide. I prefer liquid over the powder. And it just, I wanted my clothes to smell again fresh, and those other detergents just were not doing it for me. So I had to go elsewhere and look at other options. So I stumbled upon this one. My husband actually was the one that was just like, hey, why don't we just give this laundry detergent a try? You know, I see it on commercials, let's go ahead and give it a try. And I was just like, okay. We ended up loving it, and we've been faithful consumers ever since. So that is going to conclude my 5 household product essentials that I've been loving so far for this month. I recommend them to you because they're certainly not super pricey. I believe those candle wax melters were only like $3, like not super pricey. And then like the Lysol, like $10, and then the Persil is definitely more cost effective than your average Tide. So, and you get 96 loads with that one that I have. So I hope that you guys check these items out and you find them to be suitable for your household and what it is that you guys are, you know, needing. And I hope to see you guys back in another video. But first, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it, again, if you would be a part of my YouTube family here on my channel. I'm always going to encourage you guys. I'm always going to, you know, try to uplift you guys because I know this world definitely has a lot of negativity, a lot of negative energy. But here on my channel, I always want to provide and bring that positive light and that positive energy into your homes and into your life. So, yes. Please subscribe, and as always, I love you guys. Get to know Jesus. He loves you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.